My students, welcome. This is for you. Common mistakes in grammar. You know, grammar is all about rules. If you don't know the game, get out of it. Let's go. Now, come with me and study something here that is very, very, very important and very critical. Now, he did a mistake. We don't say he did a mistake. I know you know it that way. We say he made a mistake. I know that you are fond of saying he did a mistake. He made a mistake. Are we together? He made a mistake. We don't say I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea than coffee. We say I prefer. Any preference, I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. Are we together? I don't know if you're getting the whole gist. But now, if you're preferring anything else to, and you are also trying to make sure that you are likening it to another thing, you must use to. I prefer tea to coffee. Now, I didn't meet nobody. Now, this is in negative form, and the other one here, it is in negative form. That is affirmative. Now, when it is in negative forms, you can't use two negatives. You can't say, I did not meet nobody. That does not make sense. We're together? You will say, I didn't meet. Now bring it into a positive form. I didn't meet anybody. You get the point? But now you must bring what we call positive and negative so that we will form a good sentence. Now, he is good in maths. I know we are fond of using this preposition in a wrong way. We don't say he is good in maths. He is good in maths. We don't say it that way. He is good at. He is good at maths. He's good at maths. We don't say he's good in maths. Not really. He is good at English. Not in. We use at. Cram that one. By the way, some things are there to be crammed. Cram it properly. Finally, and the second last, we don't say they enjoyed in the party. I know it's making sense. You know, in grammar, it will make sense, but it will not be correct. There's a difference in grammar. They enjoyed in the party. We don't say they enjoyed in the party. We say they enjoyed the party. They enjoyed the party. They enjoyed the party. We'll not say they enjoyed in the party. Right. We don't say let's discuss about it. Now this is tautology. About it. Already, when you say let us discuss, this discuss and about, it is something you're about to talk. So when you say let us discuss about it, that is repetition, tautology that you are forming that is of no good reason. Say let us discuss it. Let's discuss it. Omit the word about. Right, now, I want to give you homework. He is suffering dash malaria. Now that's your homework to do on the weekend. Write to me in the comment section so that I'll know we are together in this learning process. Thank you so much. I really want to hope and wish that you've learned a lot through the whole week. I want to welcome you to another very important session. We are done with grammar. Now I want to move to a serious top notch about speaking. Now, how will you articulate all that I have taught you? Thank you so much for tuning in. Come with a friend next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Goodbye. Thank you.